Hello there, this is a test stream and we'll be making Snake in this stream, so let's get started. So we're gonna need 3 sprites, the head, the body, and the apple. So I'm gonna start off with the head. Obviously the head is gonna be a green square. I think I'll make it 15 by 15. Yeah, there we go. Then I'm just going to duplicate this sprite 2 times. Name this one body. Yep. And this one apple. And I'm going to paint this one red. And just to make it a bit more flashy, I'm going to make the background a dark gray. There you go. Okay, the head is obviously the most important piece of sprite in this project, so I'm gonna start us off by, let's set our default starting position to x0 y minus 120. No, that's not right. X minus 120 and y 1. Yeah, so we're gonna start here, and the snake is going to be moving to the right at the start. So I'm just going to point in direction 90, and then let's see. Okay, we're gonna create a variable named length. We're gonna set our base length to 5, and every time we eat an apple, we're gonna increase it by 1. Alright, we're gonna make 2 lists, position, X position, and Y position. Okay. I'll just start off, interview forever. Let's see, we're gonna move 20 steps per 20 steps every, let's see, 0.1 seconds. Isn't that good? Let's try it out. Yeah, I'm happy with the speed for now. Alright, we're gonna move 20 steps, and then we're going to record. We're going to save our X and Y positions per frame in this X and Y position list. So if we begin, as you can see, our X and Y positions are now recorded, and my main idea is to keep track of everything using these 2 lists, and to do that we need the length of the list to be the same as the length of the snake. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. Let's see. Well, first of all, let's just delete all of X and Y positions at the start, and I'm gonna create a new block and call it cut lists. I'm gonna select the run without screen refresh because it needs to be instantaneous. I'm gonna make another variable named head index, and I'm gonna set head index to 0. Repeat, let's see, length of X position, which would be the same as the length of Y position. I'm gonna change head index by 1, and oh no, that's not right. That's right. Okay, I'm gonna repeat until the length of X position is smaller or the same as the length variable. The reason I'm adding this small one is because if we just did this, then at the beginning we would the x and y position. Wait, isn't that right? Is that right? Oh yeah. So we're gonna I'm gonna explain this bit of code later. We're going to delete one of x and y positions. So if we add this to the main script and run it, as you can see, it's constantly getting updated. So the one on the bottom, the fifth one, is the most recent position, and so you can see that this is kind of my main idea for the body, because just every single one of these coordinates can work as a, wait, hold up, oh yeah, because every single one of these can work as a designated position for the body pixel. And the reason I'm doing this is because if we did this, if we just did the length of x position equals length, then it would freeze at the start because the x position and y position lists are empty, and we're gonna be deleting an element of an empty list until it is filled up to like 5. So this works, and well, at this point let us implement a basic control algorithm. I'm gonna control the snake with the arrow keys, right, left is minus 50, up, which would be 0, and down 180. Alright, so now I think we can control the snake, and as you can see that the Y position is getting saved nicely. Yeah. Very nice, okay. Oh, wait. What is... Wait, why is the length 6? The length is supposed to be 5 now. Oh, yeah, sorry. We're gonna... Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, I think we'll have to do this. Okay, so the thing is, if we add this cut list function after we add our current x and y position to the list, our current x and position would always be included in the list, and if we were to set those coordinates for our body to show up in, then it would always collide with the head, because the head's coordinates are the set coordinates for the body. And so let's see, so not to do that, we're gonna wait, hold up, okay, let's start remembering. I think that's okay. Yeah, we could. Yeah, the function comes after the x and y position. Yep. Okay. So the one on the bottom is our current head position. Okay, and the length is the same as our variable length. Okay, I think this is good. Right. So the head is going on pretty nice. So I think we'll work on the body for a bit. So for the body, we're going to hide ourselves when the green flag is clicked. And then let's broadcast this message named let's say clone body, I think, from the head sprite after the function cut list. And when we receive clone body, we're going to repeat the length of X position -1 times, because we have to clone ourselves at each of these coordinates except the 5th and last one, because the last one would directly generate the body pixel on the head and would immediately collide. So we just need to do this, clone this 4 times behind the body. Let's see. Repeat length of X position -1 times. We're gonna, yeah, let's do this. Let's go. I'm gonna create another variable named body index, and I'm gonna make sure to do this for this sprite only. I think I'll have a use for it later. We're gonna set our body index to 0, and then we're gonna change body index by 1 each time. We're going to go to item number body index of X position and Y position and clone ourselves. So each clone would be given a number at the body index. So depending on yeah, let's see. Oh, and I need to do this instantaneously, so I'm gonna name this one make body, whatever. I'm gonna run without screen refresh because this needs to be done all within a frame. Nice. But if we run the scripts, we'll find that, wait, hold up. Oh, the clones aren't showing. Let's do this. And then the clones show. Wait, why is that the case? Huh, that's weird. Excellent position is hard. Let's go with this. Huh. Clone body cut this. Oh. And to set our body index here each time, okay. But wait, what? The length of X position is a 5. Okay, this is unexpected. I don't know why it's acting like this. I think it's like, yeah, it's not doing the make body clone body thing. Huh. I mean, if we manually pressed clone body, body in this, what? Alright, I'm just gonna ignore that for a second and make this piece of code. So the thing is, well, theoretically, if we were just to use this sprite, there is no delete clone block anywhere in the sprite, so our length would show up as infinite, and we don't want that, so we need to delete the clones, and to do that we're going to use this body index again. So before and after creating clones, I'm going to set our body index to 0, so that only the original body sprite has the value of 0, and any of the blocks showing up on the screen would have some other one, like 1, 2, 3. And so using this, I'm going to determine if this is the original sprite, which will have to create a new set of bodies, or if it's a clone, as in the body index value is not 0, then I'm going to delete it each frame. And it's not working. Why? Body index equals 0. Make body. Huh. Why this? Yeah, that is definitely weird. Body index is a local variable. Okay, now this is weird. Why is it acting like this? Go to item, body position. Look at this. I have a feeling that this is gonna be pretty much a debugging stream. Oh my god, why? Okay, first of all, it's not showing up after the 5th one, which is weird. Straight line, yep. So the function itself is working pretty well. Wait, what? 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 Everything's the same. I don't know what just happened there, but it's working now. The snake has a body and is moving fluently. Of course, at this point, we can just smash into ourselves like this and be a pile of mess, but it won't do anything. But yeah, that's pretty nice. We're gonna add body collision and wall collision later. So for now, let's just let's work on the apple. So when we begin, we're going to go to x120 and y0, like so. And then we're going to repeat forever. Yeah, okay. Let's see. The apple is going to just wait until it touches the head, and then it'll teleport to another random place. Let's see. We're gonna repeat forever. If no, touching head, I don't think it's a good option. I think I'll do this. If my X and Y positions is the same as the X and Y positions of yep, X and Y positions of the head, then I think we'll do this. But the thing is, I was testing this a while ago, and it gave me this weird bug where the head's Y position wouldn't be an integer and just like go like 39.999, and it did match up with the apple. So I think so I'm not gonna use the X and Y positions directly. I think I'll use the one from, yeah, I think I use the refined versions from these last X and Y position elements, you call them. So the thing is, if I were to show the X and Y positions, actually, would that be fine? Let's see. Hold up. No. Yeah, I think we'll be fine. Yeah. Why not? If my X position and Y position each matches the X and Y positions of the head and the the head, nope, the head, like so. And then we're going to create another function in this teleports. Yeah, we're gonna run without screen refresh. And we can't just teleport to a random coordinate. We need to do a few things. For instance, so first of all, we're gonna hit this thing called random X. Where'd it go? What? It's not spawning. Wait. Oh. There's no. What do you mean by? Oh. Okay, a random index spawn. I don't know what just happened there. Alright, so now you have these variables random X and random Y. We're gonna set these by default to so we're moving both the head and the body by 20 pixels, so you can think of this as a 20 pixel grid. And since Scratch the Scratch stages like width and height is I think 480 pixels wide and 360 pixels deep, so we're going to multiply a value of 20, so that'll be a multiple of 20. The coordinates will be a multiple of 20, and I think for the exposition we're going to do this minus 11 to 11, which would land me somewhere between minus 220 to 220. I can't get any closer to the wall than that. For the Y position, I think I'll do a minus 8 to 8. Give me 160 to minus 100. Yeah, this should work. And I mean, I could just go to random X and random Y, but then there could be problems. Yeah. So it looks as if that Apple is working fine, but the problem is this literally teleports it to a completely random location, so it could spawn on the coordinates of the head or the body, and we don't want that. We don't want the head to to directly, you know, touch the apple upon spawning, and we don't want the body to overlap the apple, so we're going to repeat until see X position and Y position doesn't contain our X and Y positions. Oh, yeah. Oh yeah, this doesn't work. This doesn't work now, does it? Because yeah, this doesn't work. Yeah, because if we just put a knot to this, and if we repeat until this, the problem is we want this to be a, wait, hold up. Okay, I don't know exactly how to put it to words, but we're gonna have to create another index named Apple index, maybe. When we begin, we're going to set our Apple index to 0. No, not when we begin. Yeah, let's do this. So we're going to do another search on the X and Y position lists. And repeat the length of X position. I'm going to set Apple index to 0 from the start. Change Apple index by 1. If X position contains X position. No. Item Apple index of X position equals X position, or item index of Y position equals Y position. So if the head or the body is if the coordinates of a body or a head is the same as the apple's new location, I'm gonna connect this and yep. Yeah, so if that's the case, we're gonna do this again. Oh wait, but that still doesn't work. Okay. I think. Oh my God, this is difficult. Okay, but I think this will work for now. No, it's actually this. Oh God. You know, let's just set it to this for now, and the apple should be teleporting to a new location, like so. Wait, what? Okay, now it's not colliding, and this is the exact kind of thing that I told you about. So if we just check the Y position of the head for a moment, it's giving us this weird value of 0.00007. Like, what is happening? And since the X and Y positions of the apple are complete integers, I think, so it's not matching up. It's 0, and this is like, I don't know why we're getting this kind of value, but let's see. We're gonna have to work on this block. So we can't use the equal block because it wouldn't work. And let's see how to do this. Okay, so let's make it that. Let's make it so that. Let's see. We're gonna subtract the Y position of the head from our current apple Y position, and this will give us how, let's see how far the apple is. Okay, no, the collision isn't working again. And this value will never get to 0 because the snake's Y position is kind of messed up. But if we use the absolute value, we can get how far our Y position is from the head of the snake. And using this, if we were to put this in a, I don't know what to call this block. This will make it so that it'll ignore small differences and just, yeah, it'll pretty much work. Yep. Okay, so the difference is like so small. It's like, as you saw back there, it's like 0.0001 or something. And then so it is smaller than 0.1. So yeah, this works. And I think we just need to add 2 more things. The first one is increasing the length every time the apple is eaten. I think I'll put it here. So now our length is 7, 8, and 9. It's working nicely. 10. Okay. So the length is solved, and now all we need is collision to end the game. I think I'm gonna create a new block named check death. We're gonna run without screen refresh. So if we're touching the edge, or yeah, we're gonna do a similar thing to, yeah. So we're gonna do a similar thing to what we did back here. Let's see, we're gonna set our head index to 0. Repeat the length of X position -1 times, because we can't add we can't add the last one. It'll just give us the direct coordinates of the head itself. Let's see. Yep, times if the item number head index of X position is the same as our X position, and the same thing for the Y position, then we will consider ourselves collided with. So we'll consider it that our head has collided with the body, and we're gonna let's see, stop all for now. Actually, I think I'll just add this touching edge to this piece of code here. Well, this is pretty much finished, but the thing I'm worried about is, so as you can see, wait, what? Okay. Yeah, it's not working. The edge is working fine, but oh, oh my god. Okay, I forgot to change the head index value by 1. Okay, collision working fine, but what I'm worried about is the apple. Okay, I think I'll check the Y position. I think I'll check the X and Y position of head from here. X position is good. Y position is, let's see. Oh, Y position seems to be working. Okay. It seems to be working, and yeah, I'm pretty sure this is it. We've made Snake and Scratch. You can customize this in a lot of ways, but I think we'll leave it here for now. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.